Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we will be comparing Taskade to another similar productivity software called Basecamp and explain to our viewers why Taskade is the smarter choice for remote teams and individuals. Let's jump right into it. Before we get into the comparison, let's first talk about what Basecamp really is. Basecamp is a project management application or program that allows teams and businesses to collaborate more efficiently. It has been designed to help people manage projects, communicate visually, organize tasks, as well as tracking progress. Taskade, however, does a few things better. Let's talk about them right away. First off, let's talk about interface and ease of use. The Basecamp interface needs a long time to adapt and really make the most of, and can seem complex for first-time users. It also lacks customization, which Taskade has along with a simple and easy to follow structure to keep a good organization. When it comes to teamwork, Basecamp only allows up to 3 projects in the free plan, and even in order to work as a team, users will need to pay for the paid plan. Taskade, on the other hand, as you all know, has no limits on projects even in the free plan, and teams and individuals can work with ease. Basecamp also has no video conferencing or screen sharing features that are standard in Taskade for effective communication among teams using the chatbot inside every project. Lastly, as far as different views are concerned, Basecamp has fixed views that cannot be changed. Taskade, on the other hand, has 5 different views that completely change the perspective of projects and help visualize more efficiently according to the need of every project, which in turn definitely increases productivity. Well, there you go. We hope that we were able to explain that while Basecamp is a commendable software, Taskade does a lot of things better and of course is also easier to get into. Don't take our word for it. Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below and find it out for yourselves. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Taskade, simplify your productivity.